Hello everyone, today's video will be the first episode in Java course, so we will focus on basics you need just to concentrate and relax. And let's start. First, we will need to install Java in our devices. To do that, just visit Oracle website. It provides new Java versions. I will paste the download link in description. Let's scroll down. As you can see here, we have two LTS Java versions, JDK 21 and JDK 25. Each one has download sections for Windows, macOS, and Linux. For me, in my Linux laptop, I am using Java 21. It is a 2025 version, so it's still secure and valid for this course. If you want long-term support, I advise you to install Java 25 or JDK 25. Just click JDK 25, then choose your operating system, then click the installer link. It will start downloading. After installing, you should test if it is installed correctly. Just open your terminal if you're using Linux or macOS, or OpenCMD if you have Windows, then type Java version. It must show Java version like this. The second thing we need for this course is a code editor, such as Versus Code, Eclipse, etc. But in my case I will use Sublime Text. It is not directed for Java, but we can use it. It is a very lightweight program with many features for programmers. To download it, we can visit the main website. I will paste the link in description, then install the program easily by choosing our operating system. After it installed, you can open it, and you will get an interface different than mine, because I have changed the theme and colors. Comment if you want this theme. First thing to do now is to create a folder for our course. Just click File, then Open Folder. You will see your file manager. Just create new folder and choose it, then click Open button in the bottom. Secondly, right-click on your folder, then choose New File. After it create, press Ctrl and S to save the file. Call it Main.java, then save it. Now we have the Main.java file, in which we will write our first Java code. So now let's write the Main.java program structure. You don't need to understand what I am writing now, because we will explain everything in next videos. And this is our project structure. This is the story of every Java program. Think of this code like a book's first page with instructions for a story to begin. Public class main is like naming the book main. Public static void main, string, args, is the first chapter where the story starts automatically when you open the book. It's where everything begins. The curly braces are like two book covers holding everything inside. When you run it, it opens that starting chapter, but in this case, the chapter is empty, so nothing happens. Now, let's make this code do something, for example saying hello world. Just by typing system.out.print, then open parentheses, and between two quotes write hello world, and don't forget semicolon at the end. It is very important. So now inside curly braces we have full program which will say hello world. To test if it work, we should run it first. Go to Tools, then click Build With. And select Java C. This is a Java command to build the program. Now let's run the program. Go to Tools again and click Build and wait until you get the message hello world. As you can see, we didn't get hello world, but we can see this program finished. This means the Java file is built, but we didn't get its output. To fix that, we can create our build system easily to run this Java code. Just go to Tools again, then Build With. At the end of list you can see New Build System. Click it. Well, now we can type this simple command. I will write it in description section, so don't worry. Save the build system under name Java, and click Save. Now if we return to build systems, we can find new item called Java, just select it, so let's build again. Okay. Here we go, this is the Hello World message, it appears in our console, so our program is working good. So, that's it for today. We learned how to install Java and how to install and use Sublime Text to run Java code, also we wrote our first Java code. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to get notified for next Java lessons.